When you delete a file, do you think it's gone forever? Think again. Even after you hit delete, your data might still be lurking around. Let's look at what really happens to your files after you think they're gone. 1. What happens on your device? When you delete a file from your device, it usually goes to the recycle bin or trash. Even after you empty it, the file isn't really erased. The system marks the space as available, but the data is still there until it's overwritten by new information. That's why data recovery software can often bring back files you thought were deleted. 2. What about the cloud? In cloud storage, like Google Drive or Dropbox, deleted files usually move to a recovery folder for 30 to 90 days. Even after that, your data might still exist on backup servers. Many cloud providers store deleted data for a while to ensure redundancy, meaning your files could stick around longer than you think. Social media and apps. On social media, deleted posts, photos, or messages don't disappear immediately. Platforms often keep your data on their servers for a while, sometimes for legal reasons. It's worth checking each platform's privacy policy to know how long your deleted data lingers. So, deleting a file doesn't always mean it's gone.